Hey folks, how you doing? I'm gonna show you a gross video. Well, I've been homebound since 2008, but I got these thick toenails, like a fungus, and man, it's painful. But I got a remedy for that. Don't try this at home. Only if you're a professional or licensed or whatever. But I can't get out and about and go to get my nails done, so you got to take matters in your hands. Survival, a lot of people with this quarantine stuff and everything going on, they can't get out and do it. So anyway, I got this fungus on my nails, old thick toenails, and it's gross, it's nasty, but here goes. But I'm gonna show you the tools I use. First of all, the tools I use, I don't know what they're called, but they're a pair of dikes. Let me zoom down. Or clippers for big, massive toenails. And also, I'll be using this Hitachi. It's like a Dremel tool. It's like a burr grinder or a pencil. Let me see here. But anyway, there's the model numbers on it. I call it a pencil grinder, or like a Dremel tool, and it got a real thick sand blade, or coarse sand blade on there, and it's got a LED light on it. Let me see here. Looks like that thing will go to town. All right, but look at those nails. They are thick and nasty. But when you're survival, when you're at home, you gotta do what you gotta do. Here's the other one. Some gun. Those things are nasty. Alright. This is not one of my favorite videos, but just to help folks out there that can't get out and got problems. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm all about, helping people out. All right, first of all, we're gonna start by cutting. I'm doing this one-handed, so it's gonna be tricky. I'll go and cut this nail. I cut everything off first. All the big stuff. So it makes it easier to sand down. These things are painful too when they get real long. Hit your bottom of your shoe. It sucks. Let me tell you. Let me get through clipping because it's hard to video tape. But you need to stay on top of these things. If not, it'll get out of hand and you got a big mess. I hadn't done these in about a month. But look at that little one right there. That's a painful son of a gun right there. Yeah, that sucks. Alright. Excuse my French, but I'm gonna take that one right there and cut her off. That hurt. Sure I get a lot of good comments on this video. But that's what you gotta do. Alright, we'll be back in a second. I'm gonna get the other one clipped and trimmed. I'll be back with the sanding part. Alright, hang tight. Alright folks, we're down to the nitty gritty. It's got them trimmed and all that good stuff. But now we're going to go ahead and start grinding on them. All right, this one right here is and they get like a top on them. Man, oh man, they're heck. But here we go. Let me adjust this camera. Hold up. Oh, there we go. That's better. I got it set on about a 1. And it knocks the sharpness off of them. Now y'all know how I like my power tools. About need a grinder for these things. About a 5 1/4 inch angle grinder. And they make medication for this, y'all. My uncle took it. He had the same thing. Still does. He took the medication, but there was so many side effects over the years. He quit taking it, and the stuff came back. I've even ripped these toenails off by accident, by hitting stuff and this and that. All right, let me give a little test here. That's smooth as a baby's bottom. Let me get. Whoo, they make it feel so much better. And you know, like I say, the LED light on there, but just be careful what you're doing. And trying to videotape ain't too smart. All right, I can live with that. All right, we're gonna do this other one that's messed up. See all that sawdust or toe jam dust. Every now and then you get a little nick, and if it starts to burn your nail, back off a little bit so it burns. Just watch your speed. And this is dangerous to sit, kind of videotape and do your nails. All right. Oh yeah. Woo! You just take a little off right there. And after I get through doing my toenails, I got a thing of hot water right there with some Dawn antibacterial. So it'll kill anything once I put my feet in there. After I get, and I got my compressor, I can blow my nails off. Look at all that dust. So, looks like almost a normal toenail right now. We'll be back in a minute. Let me finish doing these and I'll show you how they look. All right, folks, I got this side done. Every now and then the nail gets thin and you get a bleeder. That's no big deal. Look at all that sawdust. I mean, nail dust. Woo. But they're smooth. I mean, smoother than a cucumber. All right, we'll be back in a second. All right, folks, I'm gonna put this in the video before I end it. This is a Hitachi variable speed. Got the LED light on it. Sorry about all the toenail dust. I'll clean that up in a second. But this is a great tool. It's got a little hanger right there. Lithium ion. So any kind you can get is good. DeWalt didn't make one at the time, so you know I'm a DeWalt man. But hey, I like any kind of good tool that works. And this is a GP Hitachi. Hope y'all can see that. I got a glare. GP 100L. 1-inch cordless mini grinder. Alright. And I use this. And also, like I say, I use these cutting tools. Toenail clippers. I'm not sure what they're called, but I'll look them up for you. Alright. So that's to get the big stuff. But my feet feel so much better, y'all. Alright. Y'all take it easy. All right, y'all. Once we get them all ground down, and hey, they're looking smooth. I mean, they look like normal nails, don't they? Then after I get them ground down, I'll take them and put them in water. All right. Here's my old buddy of mine. And put them in the water and let them soak a while in an antibacterial Dawn, which is safe for pets and getting oil off everything. Then I'll take them out, blow them off. Be careful with the air pressure. Hold it back. And look at those nails. And they're like brand new nails. Now, let me show you this side. I hadn't dipped them in the water yet. Getting ready to. All right, here's the nails. I'm gonna go ahead and blow them off. All the dust. All right, now we'll dip them in the water. Oh, and I'll tell you one thing, these nails feel a whole lot better. These things are painful, y'all. Woo! I'm talking about painful. But yeah, I mean, that fungi cure, I've tried all that junk. Ain't none of that stuff works. Not for me anyway. So, yeah. But yeah, warm, soapy Dawn with antibacterial kill everything. Wish it killed that fungus. All right, let's see what we got here. All right. And they're like brand new nails, don't they, folks? Good enough for me. Got a few cuts. But that's when you go to sand, and that's going to happen. All right. Well, let me see here. But yeah, that's how to grind and do your toenails. When you're at home or quarantine or been homebound since 2008, that's what you got to do to survive. I mean, Marines, you know, adapt and overcome. It's really important for these younger generations that need to go in the military bad. There's not enough discipline out there in the world. And no respect. Hope that's going to change one of these days. Anyway, I hope I didn't gross y'all out too bad with this video, but hey, I mean, it is what it is. I mean, this isn't a pleasant video. This is real, true life. This is honest stuff. I mean, when I do my videos. So, hey, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Sorry, it's kind of gross and nasty, but it gets the job done, and that's my how-to to grind down on thick fungus toenails. All right, hey, y'all have a good one, y'all. Please subscribe. God bless and Semper Fi. Hoorah! And remember, it's not what your country can do for you. By JFK. It's not what your country can do for you. It's what you can do for your country. I serve my country. I'm proud of it, and I would do it all over again. And to me, any war monument, no matter what creed, race, color, or anything, should not be touched. Just for saying, I mean, whether it's Indian, an African-American hero, or war memorial, Confederate or Union, or the Vietnam Vets Memorial, the Marine Corps Memorial, nothing. Respect. respect other people. All lives matter. Every life matters. Even animals' lives matters. I'm a hunter, but I want to shoot what I want to eat. But yeah, I respect my animals. All life is nothing greater. But hey, thank y'all for watching. Everything's gonna be okay out there. Everything's gonna get better. And I just pray to God every day everything's gonna be okay. And I live here in Richmond. I mean, not Richmond. I live about 25 miles from Richmond, but it's just sad. It really is. Everything. It's just a sad thing. The whole 9 yards. But anyway, hey, thank y'all for watching. God bless and simplify. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment. Like or dislike. Hey, y'all are good folks now. Thank y'all for watching. Hey, stay focused, stay the course, stay motivated, and everything's gonna be okay. All right. Hey, you're talking to somebody that's been surviving now since 2008, homebound with PTSD and acute panic disorder. But I'm getting there. All right, y'all. Y'all take care. Simplify. Please subscribe. God bless. Bye-bye.